Has it ever crossed your mind how climate change might be turbocharging hurricanes? Let's take a closer look. Human-induced climate change played no small part in amplifying Hurricane Helene's fury. With a 10% increase in rainfall and an 11% boost in wind speed, the storm's destructive power was elevated. But what's behind this intensification? The answer lies in our warming seas. High sea temperatures, a byproduct of our changing climate, provide the fuel for these monstrous storms. So, it seems climate change didn't just intensify Helene, it supercharged it. But what does this supercharging mean in real terms? Let's delve into the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. Picture record storm surges, gale-force winds, and torrential rainfall. The storm claimed the lives of over 230 people and left extensive damage in its wake. Climate change didn't just watch from the sidelines, it jumped into the game, amplifying the storm's destructive power. The harsh reality is, Helene was more destructive than it would have been, thanks to climate change. Now you might be wondering, what's next? As we gaze into the future, scientists forecast that Hurricane Milton is likely to follow Helene's destructive path, its intensity similarly fueled by climate change. As our world continues to heat up, the frightening prospect of even more severe hurricanes looms ominously. Imagine storms that bring not only devastating winds, but also catastrophic flooding reaching far inland. This is a possible reality if we continue to burn fossil fuels unabated. It seems the future might hold more supercharged storms like Helene. So, what can we do about this? It's clear that we need to take decisive action to address climate change. We must halt the burning of fossil fuels, the primary driver of this global crisis. The urgency of this situation cannot be overstated. Every day we delay, the likelihood of more extreme weather events like Helene and Milton increases. It's not just about preventing the next storm, but about safeguarding our planet for future generations. The time to act on climate change is now before the next Helene or Milton strikes. Or, stay ahead of the curve with your daily dose of news. Subscribe now and never miss a beat.